Hello from Welcome to Entry. My name is Akash Shukla. Guys, IBPS Clerk 2021 state-wise expected cutoff. One of the most awaited video that you guys are asking for. Ki sir, please make a video and please tell us your expectation regarding IBPS Clerk 2021 state-wise cutoff. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing ki what can be the expected cutoff for your state and your category as well. Apart from that, let me tell you one thing friends, ki I have conducted a poll on this YouTube channel community only and 18,000 students, yes guys, 18,000 plus students participated in that particular poll. Just to know regarding the number of best attempt or the safer attempt for the student, and around 16,000 students, 16,000 plus students participated in the entry app poll. So guys, based on the 34,000 plus student, here I'll be discussing ki what can be the safer attempt as well. So first of all, let us see ki what can be your safer attempt, then we'll see ki what can be the expected cutoff for state wise. Here you guys can see 12 December 2021 poll, the examination that was conducted on 12 December. Here you can see 7.7k student participated in that poll and maximum number of student attempted 78 to 88 attempt. Okay, 78 to 88 attempt. Now let's see ki what was there in 18 December 2021 poll. So this is the 18 December 2021 poll, and here you can see maximum number of student attempted 78 to 88 attempt and 5.8k student participated in that particular poll. And yes, I didn't participate in the exam, 36% student. And now let's see 19 December 2021, 4.9k student participated in that particular poll and 78 to 88. Guys, 78 to 88, 47%. Around you can say ki 57%, like 2500 or 2400 student attempt 78 to 88. Guys, this is the safer attempt we can say. But क्या expected cutoff ये होगा? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Expected cutoff will be there according to the level of the difficulty of the exam, and the second thing, number of vacancy in that particular state, like what is the vacancy this time and what was the vacancy last time. So guys, we're gonna do a vacancy comparison for all the state, and based on the cutoff last year and this best attempt, we're gonna do the expected cutoff analysis. So let us move. So here you guys can see the cutoff for 2021 for the general category, the number of vacancy in 2020, number of vacancy in 2021. Cutoff was 78 for Andhra Pradesh, only 10 vacancies were there, but now the 263 vacancy. तो क्या cutoff एकदम कम चला जाएगा? Absolutely not, because this time we saw easy level of the question paper. 78 to 88 is the best attempt or the safer excellent attempt student are attempting. Most of the students attempted. So if 76 to 80 we can say the expected cutoff. In the same way for Bihar 71.25, 69 to 73 we can predict the cutoff. The vacancy was 76 previous year and this time 252. So obviously guys, in most of the state you can see ki vacancy this time has been increased as compared to the previous year. For example, if you see for the Gujarat, 72 was the cutoff, 119 vacancies, but this time we saw 357 vacancies. So obviously cutoff can be either 71 or 74 around. Okay, so obviously if in a particular state the cutoff was 72 around and the number of vacancies in that particular state was around 100 plus, but now the vacancies is around 350 plus, so that doesn't mean ki the cutoff will go around 68 or 67. Cutoff will be there around 71, either 71 or 74 or 75. Why? Because the paper level was very easy guys. Okay, now let's see for the Maharashtra, 69.75 was the previous year cutoff, 334 is the number of vacancies, 799 the number of vacancies this time. So obviously 67 to 71 may be the cutoff guys, or you can also take the mean of this, around 70 or 69 can be the cutoff. Obviously Rajasthan 78.25, 48 was the vacancy only, but this time 117 vacancies, 76 to 80 will be the cutoff. Uttar Pradesh 73.5, 136 number of vacancies previous year, and this time number of vacancies 661. So 72 to 76 will be the expected cutoff. Guys, if the paper level is very easy, whether you talk about RRB PO or RRB clerk, if we see the number of vacancies higher than the previous year, but we saw the cutoff also higher than the previous year, although the question paper level was difficult as compared to the previous year. In the same way, what we gonna see, because this time the question paper was easy and most of the people attempted 78 to 88. Okay, and obviously IBPS clerk, IBPS want to rectify the maximum number of candidates and want to shortlist it for the mains examination. If 7,800 vacancies are there, so 10 times the number of candidates, like 78,000 students will be selected for the mains examination. So definitely cutoff will be around this that we have discussed. So guys, if there's any query you guys want to discuss with me, or if you have any concern regarding the expected cutoff that we have discussed, then please do let me know in the comment section box. I will definitely try to reply, and please share your attempt in the comment section box as well with the accuracy, ki how much accuracy you had in the examination. Guys, again I will say that ki maximum number of student attempted 78 to 88. I have the poll of 34,000 plus student. I am saying that on the basis of these students only 78 to 88 people are attempting. So guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. Yes, because people are attempting 78 to 88, so there will be no accuracy factor also. Like in English language, people are not completely sure that they have attempted very good with very good accuracy. So we can't say ki yes, all the questions of the English language will be correct. So that's why the cutoff will be definitely less than this attempt. Guys, thank you very much. This is Akash Shukla. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. And yes, if you guys are preparing for IBPS Clerk 2021 mains examination, then guys, link you can find in description field and the pin comment, in the pin comment as well. So, to download the app and start attempting free of cost high quality mains ke mock test, sectional test, topic wise test, and mains ke video courses. Thank you very much, guys.